fam, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome, and after you have watched the video, please go ahead and subscribe and like and become a part of this family. If you are already a family member, I love and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah! Hi fam, how you guys doing out there? It's almost Mother's Day and it's time to make another gorgeous centerpiece that you can give her just in time for her big day. Okay, the supplies you would need for this tutorial are: you would need 4 bundles of flowers. I got these from the Dollar Tree. Some gemstone stickers, Dollar Tree. Foam ball. Now I got this from Michael's. 6 candle holders. They come 2 to a package, and a champagne bottle, both from the Dollar Tree. Some acrylic beads. I got these from Michael's. Now if you do not have these type of beads, because I got these around Christmas time, so if they do not have these type, you can get some silver strings of necklace beads from the Dollar Tree. They got these cute little sayings that you can get from the Dollar Tree just in time for Mother's Day. A glass candle holder. It says "You are my sunshine," and a tea light to go inside. And don't forget your glue gun and your wire cutters. You ready? Let's get started. Okay, we're going to first glue our candle holders together. You have 3 of them. Now we're going to glue them on top of each other. Okay. Next we're going to glue all 3 of our candle holders on top of our champagne glass. Okay. Now we're going to take our stickers. We're going to take a string of it, and we're going to go right in the middle between the 2 candle holders. Okay, now it's time for us to put our flower arrangement together. Okay, we're going to cut one flower off, and we're going to leave a little stem right about a half an inch, just so that we can stick it right inside the foam ball. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to glue my flower arrangement on top of my candle holders. Okay, I'm going to put some glue right here in the center. There we go. Glue it, let it sit, give it 10 seconds. Okay, now we're going to glue each leaf right on the foam ball underneath the flowers. Okay, now I'm going to glue my acrylic beads onto my vase. Okay. Whoop. Okay, I had one bead left, so I only used 4. Okay, so we're just going to put it all together. Here's my candle holder with my tea light. Here is my Mother's Day sign. And I'm finished. I hope you like this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up and come back for more. I'm going to let you see the completed look. Hello, everybody, it's sharing time. What sharing time? What sharing time? Hello, everybody, it's sharing time with me. And I'm getting ready to give you 5 great purchases I made from the Dollar Tree. You ready? Number 1 is these beautiful candle holders. Wow, aren't they beautiful? Guess you can put some candles on top and maybe some tea lights inside it. Okay, and look at these candle holders they have out now. You can hang them up on something outside, around the house, wherever. Neato. Look at this great buy. Now you can put your water in here. You can drink from right here at the top, or whoop, you got your own little cup. Great buy. Oh, look at these little decorative birds. Tweet, 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 tweet. Aren't they cute? That's number 4. And number 5. Now this little thing is called Age Defy Dark Circle and Puffiness Serum. Okay, you're supposed to rub this underneath your bags. That is located underneath your eyes, and you're supposed to put it on in the morning and at night. Okay, this was my 5th item I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I always get some great buys. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. Go ahead on and smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, share this video, turn the notification bell on, and come back for more. Mwah! Thank you.